Hey everyone, I'm the HVAC repair guy. Over my 17 plus years wrenching on systems in the field and my earlier days as a Navy nuclear electrical operator, I've seen just about every heating and cooling setup out there. Today we're looking at two high-end heat pump systems side by side, the Ducane 7HP19V and the American Standard Platinum 20. When you walk up to these units on a job site, you're looking at robust outdoor cabinets. Both the Ducane and the American Standard feature heavy-gauge steel construction with a pre-painted finish designed to withstand the weather. Looking at the cabinet design, both units feature louvered coils to help protect the outdoor coil fins from hail and physical damage while maintaining good airflow, and both come equipped with a compressor blanket to dampen operating noise. Let's talk heating performance and efficiency. The Ducane unit comes in with an HSPF rating of 8.5, while the American Standard Platinum 20 steps up with an HSPF rating of 10.5. HSPF measures how efficiently the heat pump heats your home over the entire heating season, so a higher number means lower heating bills when winter temperatures drop. Because these are heat pumps, they handle both your winter heating and summer cooling needs, keeping your home comfortable year-round by moving heat rather than just creating it through resistance. Under the hood, both of these units represent the top tier of equipment technology. Both the Ducane 7HP19V and the American Standard Platinum 20 utilize a variable speed compressor paired with a variable speed condenser fan. That means instead of just running full blast or turning off like old single-speed systems, these units continuously modulate their speed up and down to match the exact heating or cooling load of your home. This gives you incredibly steady indoor temperatures, eliminates harsh temperature swings, reduces energy consumption, and reduces mechanical wear and tear for longer equipment life. The Ducane 7HP19V operates between 61 and 72 dBA, depending on tonnage, per the manufacturer's spec sheet, which is comparable to a normal conversation or a quiet dishwasher running in the background. On the other side, the American Standard Platinum 20 runs as quietly as 55 dB, which is roughly equivalent to a quiet library or a humming refrigerator. As for who builds them, the Ducane 7HP19V is manufactured by Allied Air Enterprises, which is a subsidiary of Lennox International. The American Standard Platinum 20 is manufactured by Trane Technologies, and as contractors know well, American Standard units are built in the exact same factories with the same internal engineering as Trane equipment. Looking at real-world installed pricing in the current market, a professionally installed Ducane 7HP19V system typically ranges from about $9,000 to $13,000 or more depending on your region and existing ductwork. The American Standard Platinum 20 generally runs between $9,000 and $14,500 installed for standard residential replacements. Comparing the warranties, both units give you a standard 10-year parts warranty. For the compressor warranty, the Ducane 7HP19V offers 10 years per the spec data, while the American Standard Platinum 20 steps up to a 12-year compressor warranty. Neither unit includes a whole unit replacement warranty. My honest recommendation? Go with the American Standard Platinum 20. While both are fantastic variable speed systems with great build quality, the American Standard gives you a higher HSPF efficiency rating of 10.5 compared to 8.5, slightly quieter sound levels down to 55 decibels, and a longer 12-year compressor warranty that edges out the Ducane.